In Turkey, we are witnessing a military coup. In fact, we saw exactly the same thing happening in Ukraine back in 2014.
Most likely, the opposition, which is now in power, would have come to power democratically by means of elections. And we would have worked with them, as we had been working with the previous government of President Yanukovych. But no, they had to start a coup, with victims, bloody events, a civil war, terrifying the population in the southeast of Ukraine and in Crimea. And all for what?
Please pay close attention to what I'm going to say now. After the 18th of September 2016, very big changes are coming to Russia, particularly in political field and in business environment. Those changes are directly related to New World Order and One World Government. This will be a historic moment, and this will be the breaking point for Putin or Illuminati. In fact, those changes will touch every aspect not only of people who live in Russia, but those changes will touch everyone, including you and me. The dollar collapse and WW3 will start after or even before the 18th of September 2016. Breaking News TV YouTube channel will keep you updated on those changes taking place in Russia. As always, check the link below this video in the description box. After an international tribunal ruled out that China had no exclusive rights over the South China Sea, we have Obama administration continue to drift towards global conflict through an openly confrontational policy towards China in the South China Sea and against Russia in Eastern Europe. At this very moment we have unprecedented military buildup, military training, military drills, FEMA training inside the ES and in Eastern Europe, on border with Russia, and in the South China Sea. At this stage, the military exercises are global. A major Chinese paper has suggested that the Chinese government should prepare for war with the United States. Beijing must prepare to make the ES to pay a cost it can't afford if it intervenes in the South China Sea dispute by force. China is setting the stage for war in the South China Sea. Chinese President Xi Jinping has ordered the People's Liberation Army to prepare for war against possible confrontation with the US in the South China Sea.
Developments here. China is refusing to recognize The Hague's historic court ruling earlier today over territory in the South China Sea in favor of the Philippines, as the Foreign Office in Beijing claims the court's got no jurisdiction to settle the dispute. The disagreements over the Spratly Islands, they lie between China and the Philippines. China's long claimed sovereignty over them. Beijing's refused to participate in the proceedings over the past 3 years, accusing the US instead of pushing the Philippines to seek arbitration so that it can fulfill its own goals in the region. We spoke to Victor Gao, he's director of the China National Association of International Studies. He says China's opened a dialogue with its neighbour in order to resolve the dispute, but doesn't want any external interference.
It is very obvious from the very beginning that the United States was very much involved in this arbitration case brought by the Philippines against China. The United States now deploys 2 aircraft carrier battle groups in the South China Sea with many warships and military airplanes try to put pressure on China. On the other hand, China is very happy to engage with the Philippines. We want to make sure that the Chinese people and the Filipino people are friends and good neighbors, and we have the wisdom and the diplomatic skills to resolve our differences, including our territorial disputes, in the coming months and coming years. This ruling itself, coming out of The Hague, is illegal, and China will stick firm to its principle, and China will take all the measures necessary to defend its sovereignty and territorial integrity in the South China Sea.
We are working really hard to report real news to you. Unfortunately, 80% of our videos are not advertiser friendly. That means we do not get any financial support from YouTube. Use any debit or credit card to donate $1, €1 or £1 through PayPal. Also, we want to say thank you to you all for your donations. Thank you for supporting Breaking News TV YouTube channel. Here's China. The reason why we're looking at this map is that I want to show it that China is in deep trouble. I want you to have a clear picture in your mind, because all the other information in this video and in my new video will be directly related to this map. To prevent an attack on China, China is placing all kinds of missiles and defense missile systems on the South China Sea island. When we have Obama activating the missile defense shield in the United States, in South Korea and in Europe, this map clearly shows an unprecedented military drills and missile defense shields being activated in Europe and in Russia. This map clearly shows an unprecedented military drills on China's doorstep in the South China Sea and in this region where we have Vladivostok, South Korea, North Korea and Japan. Remember, this is not a joke, this is very serious situation. I mean, they're getting ready for WW3, especially in this region where $5 trillion of trade passes each year. When the conflict will break out in the South China Sea, the global financial system will collapse like a house of cards. In my new video, I will be talking about that Putin has only 3 options before the 18th of September 2016. This date will be the breaking point, either for Putin or for Illuminati. This date will be a historic date that affects everyone's way of living, including you and me. As the Hague Tribunal rejected China's claim to historic rights in the South China Sea, Beijing announced the commissioning of its 4th guided missile destroyer and warned that China is ready to set up an air defense zone over the disputed South China Sea area. Chinese government is setting up an air defense zone in the South China Sea, bringing the guided missile destroyer, the ship which is one of the most sophisticated vessels in the China's navy. The American military build-up in the South China Sea, including the deployment of 2 carrier strike groups, target directly China's vital interests and represents a direct threat to China's national security. With sweeping territorial claims by China, island building, militarization and intense rhetoric, China is setting itself up to be provoked in the South China Sea by the United States. Large-scale naval war games will take place in the South China Sea in the latest provocative act by the US government to contain China. The exercise will be focused on anti-missile warfare and large-scale military drills. As part of China's military boost, China plans to increase its fleet of heavy strategic transport aircraft. Beijing is claiming sovereignty over a big chunk of the South China Sea, which is a major trading route for China. A negative ruling for China will increase tensions with the United States in the South China Sea. When we had Turkey provocations of Russia in Syria by shooting down a Russian warplane, when we saw a provocation of the United States Donald Cook by Russian warplanes, in the South China Sea we have some provocative moves that can easily lead to a major war between major superpowers. Anti-ship missile fired from a Taiwanese patrol boat towards mainland China by mistake hit a Taiwanese fishing boat many kilometers away. Is the United States lost a sense of reality when we have the global conflict about to start in the South China Sea, in Syria and in Eastern Europe on Russian border? The United States sailed a guided missile destroyer within 12 miles of artificial islands in the South China Sea. These actions of the United States warship have threatened China's sovereignty and security interests, jeopardized the safety of personnel and facilities on the island, and damaged regional peace and stability. Chinese Navy holds live fire drills on the South China Sea island. The Chinese Navy has fired live missiles during its ongoing military exercises in the South China Sea. These kind of provocations clearly indicate a very strong message that all sides, including China, the United States and Russia, are ready for a conflict which can ultimately lead to a major global war.